y'all, Tia Cherie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are returning, thanks for coming back to check out another video. So in this week's video, I wanted to take you guys along with me because I am actually going to be doing my first pop-up vendor table event for my new service-based business. So if you don't know, if you didn't check out the last video, I am actually a service-based provider. I do waxing and eyelashes, and I run a business called Tame by Tia. It's cute, right? I know. And we are actually going to be doing our first vendor table. So it's coming up in about 2 weeks. I'm super excited to do it. I'm going to be there selling some of the products that I'm making, and also obviously marketing my services for my waxing and my eyelashes. So what I wanted to do today was take you guys along with me while I go pick up some of the stuff that I'm going to be using to make the vendor table all cute, and some of the supplies that I need for the products and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to bring you guys along with me. Right now I am at Dollar Tree. This is my second one that I went to. I went to one earlier, so I'll show you guys a little bit about what I got from the other Dollar Tree a little bit later, so keep watching. But from this Dollar Tree, I'm gonna go see if they have some more of the things that the other one didn't. The one thing that I hate about Dollar Tree is, like, you gotta look up, because some of them be hitting and they be great, and then others be like why y'all even open? So hopefully this one is a good one. This is usually a really busy store because they usually have a lot of good stuff. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I'm also going to be working on some of the little props and stuff that I'm going to be using for the table, some of the bags that I'm going to be using for the products that I'm selling. If you guys don't know, I actually sell products. I sell body scrubs. They smell amazing. They make you feel amazing. You look good. You look moisturized. Your skin is silky smooth. It's a vibe. It's a whole vibe. So I'm going to be selling those at the vendor event. So I'm just going to be picking up some supplies for that. And that's really it. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. I don't really like recording in public that much. I be feeling like people are staring at me, and I don't like that. And with these stupid masks on, you guys can barely understand me, but we're about to see how this goes, so stay tuned. Now, I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to hear me or understand me with this stupid mask on, so we're gonna see. It's so windy today. Excuse me. So let's see what they got in here. Technically need to be decorating. So let's see what supplies they have in here for us. So I'm looking for some little bags to give out, to put the products in when I sell them. So let's see if we can find some. They don't have a good selection. My colors are hunter green and like a goldish yellow. I don't like that other yellow. It's too bright. And let's see if they have any of the other little bags that I need. Let's see. So I'm actually going to be doing a product photo shoot with these. So these are going to be a good pickup. They're going to go so cute with my lavender body scrub. So I'm actually going to do a little video showing you guys how I'm going to do that. So keep watching. But otherwise, they ain't really got what your girl wants. I'm not feeling it. It's not really tickling my fancy here. So let's see. Okay, y'all, so I picked up a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm just gonna show you my little haul that I got from Dollar Tree. The final part of the video is not gonna come until we actually do the vendor event. So you're gonna see like the final, how I put everything together, all of that good stuff. Actually at the event, I'll record some of the footage before, before anything. So I got some photo paper here. Got this from Dollar Tree. I got a whole bunch of them. Sorry if you can't see it from the glare, from the ring light, but I'm gonna use this to like make some thank you cards and some cute little contact cards and all of that stuff to go onto the table for people to pick up when they walk by. I actually also got this big old poster board. I might use this to like make a little sign. I'm trying to decide whether I want to do that or not. I might not. I don't know how I feel yet, but we'll see. If not, I'm gonna be using this as a backdrop because I'm gonna do some product photography and I'm actually gonna do a video on that too. So I'm gonna show that to you guys as well. I picked up some bags. This is gonna be for people who obviously purchase some of my body scrubs. So just obviously a little gift bags. I picked up green and white. My colors are green, gold, and white. So there we go. This is some potpourri. This is just gonna be to like garnish the table. So my name is Tame by Tia for the business. So this is just gonna be, some cute stuff to go onto the table. I'm also gonna be using this for some of the product photography that I'm gonna do. So I got some of these. This one is coconut citrus, but that's not the flavors of my scrub, but it just matches the color aesthetic that I need. And I got these ribbons here and some decorative shred stuff to go all over the table. Let me tell you something. These banana chips, they are amazing. So if you have them in your dollar store, check them out. I was at one point eating like 10 bags a week. I've definitely cut back, but they are fire. So if you have them at your dollar store, check them out and tell them I sent you. Like, they're not gonna care, but check them out. And if they're good, and if you try them, let me know in the comments below how good they are. And I got a tablecloth. This here is gonna obviously be to cover the table. I was gonna go get like a custom one made, but I don't really have enough time. And I wanna kind of just see if I can kind of DIY it, make it super cute without having to spend like a whole bunch of money. Those signs can be pretty expensive. The one that I was looking at was like $45. I mean, it's not that bad, but I wanna just see if I can kind of DIY it and make it cute on my own. So let's see. I got a nice gold picture frame. This goes with my color scheme as well. This is gonna be, I'm gonna put a printout of my services in here. So it's just gonna be a printout of the services that I offer, the pricing, and all that good stuff. Also, I actually should have got another one so I can do my contact information, but I'm gonna be giving out cards and all of that stuff, so they're not gonna need it. But I'm gonna put my services in here so people can have like a menu of my services that I offer and the prices. I also got another potpourri container. This is gonna also be for my product photography. This is going to be for my lavender scent. I actually have a lavender scented body scrub. So this is gonna be perfect for that. These are actually little cute candle holders. They're gold, if you can see like the trim. I'm gonna be using these for samples. So I'm gonna have some samples laid out on the table that I'm gonna let customers take some samples and use them in order so that they can see the product, see if they like it. So I just felt like this was like a cute little addition to something that I can put it on instead of putting it just like directly on the table. They're technically candle holders, but they're gonna come in handy. And I got 4 of them because I'm gonna have different samples for people to try. I got some letters here, so if I basically decide to do the poster board, I can put the letters together instead of drawing it. I don't have the cutest handwriting, and that's okay because I have these, so I can figure that part out. I got these binder clips. These are gonna be to sit on the table. I actually also got these craft sticks right here. So I'm gonna basically make like little handheld posters, like the ones that you see that are kind of like fans. I'm gonna make those. I actually seen another YouTuber do that in one of the videos and I thought it was like a super cute idea. So I'm going to do those. So this is gonna be what it's gonna sit on the table. And then this is gonna be the stick. And I'm gonna then use the the paper, the photo paper, to make the little cardboard cutouts, fans, so people can have them just in case it's hot in there, or just to walk around with, you know. Marketing, girl, marketing, branding. Know me, know my brand, see me. I want you to go home and be fanning yourself like, oh, Tia, Tame by Tia, I need a wax, let me call her. That's what I need. And then I picked up some candles, just a regular little vanilla one and lemon lavender. This again is gonna be for some product photography that I'm gonna do, not necessarily for the event, but just for some product photography. And that's about it. So I got like a whole bunch of stuff. As you guys can see, I spent quite a few dollars, but it's gonna come in handy, and I can't wait to put everything together. I'm super excited to see how it comes out and to, you know, just do an event. Like, I've never sold my products before. I've given them out to my friends and some family, and everybody loves them. So this is gonna be the first time like I'm offering it to the public. So I'm super excited for them to try the products, see how they like them. I love them. Makes your girl's skin feel amazing, makes me feel smooth and hydrated. They are so pretty. They smell so good. Like, they're so awesome. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's gonna be going up on my website so that you guys can order it yourselves. So I can't wait to share it. And that's it for this. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. When I pick this back up, we are going to be at the vendor event, and you're going to be able to see how all of this stuff came together. So that was the event. It was such a great time. I had such a good time meeting new people and getting my products out there in front of new people, talking to the customers. I had a nice amount of sales, so that was definitely a plus. Obviously, I wish it would have been sold out, but next time, your girl's gonna get there. We're gonna be sold out, okay? But that was just a great time. So if you're interested in seeing more behind the scenes videos, please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed that video, let me know. I do have another vendor event coming up, so I might be able to also tape that one and do a little bit more behind the scenes for you. So let me know in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me and the channel, and I greatly appreciate the support. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.